I got myself a little gift. DJI Osmo Action. I got this through Best Buy. They're running good sale on it. This was $259.99 and came with a free gift. So let's do a quick unboxing. Oop. Pretty tight up in there. Oh. Alright, that explains it. There we go. I wanted this device when it was just announced, but it just had too many issues with it. I decided to hold off for a year and see if they would make any improvements. Camera itself. Let's see what comes in this box. Accessories. Cable. Stand. I'm assuming this is the battery. So what a lot of people don't notice is that this is the battery case, but it also doubles as where you put the memory card in here. So if you're gonna go, it's just easy for you to carry this with you. Alright. Let's put this to the side. Let's open this up. Let's see. Gee. It's hard to actually do the unboxing being all behind. Let's do it this way. This works so much better. Anyway, 1, 2. What's in there? Okay, nothing else is in there. I guess this is some kind of manual or something. Alright. So it comes with one battery, second battery, and then this is for charging. So this is the battery that it came with. There's the prongs right there. Basically charge it like this. And then the charging cable. Oh, there's something else in there. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Just an empty box. Alright. That makes it all for the unboxing. Any questions, please type below. Let me have some fun with this camera, and I'll post things once I get my full experience with this camera, and I'll give my opinion on it. Thanks for watching.